Oh yes, it's a crazy day today. Why? Because I'm at the Skylarks flying field. Yes, I haven't got a camera person with me today, so it's going to be sort of head cam and any other cam, and then hopefully people will come in soon, so I don't have to be on my own, because you shouldn't really be on your own anyway. But anyway, how's that Friday feeling? Yes, it is begun right now. Yes, right this second, right this second, right now. Yes, I said twice. This second. That's 3 times. But it's the first second. Yes. Anyway, it's really hot. It's about 10 AM. We can't start flying at this field until about 10 o'clock. So I'll give it sort of like 10-15 minutes before I start firing up all the engines. Or engine, should I say. Yes, it's the Boomerang. Yes, I know you're going, Chris, where's all these other planes? It's going to come soon. Probably next week. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Yes, it's really hot. It's really, really hot. I mean, whoa. What is it? It's about 27 at the moment. 10 AM, it's about 27, which is about 80 something Fahrenheit or whatever. But hey, I've got my sun cream for the back of my legs. I've got my funky hat. I've got my shades, should I say. Put my teeth in, Chris. Shades. Yes, I've got my shades. So we're going to have a lovely flight with the Boomerang, and I'm going to practice my A cert because it's next week. Next weekend is my A certificate. I didn't want to tell you, but I'm telling you. Exclusive here. Well, it's not exclusive. I'm just telling you about me, my journey. The journey is carrying on, but the journey is going for the A cert. Yes, so today I'm practicing it, doing some loops and, not loops, figure of eights, don't say loops, figure of eights and landings and bits and pieces. So I hope you follow me today on this journey. Who knows? Is it going to crash? Is it going to blow up? I've got a fire extinguisher. It's okay. Or we're going to go home with the plane and be happy dappy. Let's go get the plane over there before it melts. Yes. Alrighty. So she's already primed, checked. What we're going to quickly do is do a range check. Right, let's do something serious now. I have checked all the surfaces. I'm going to double check the surfaces. Yeah, that goes a bit that way, that goes a bit that way, looking good. That will go that way, that will go that way, looking good, and that will take off, and that will definitely hopefully land. Awesome. Alrighty, I have primed this bad boy. I'm now going to turn the switch on. Make sure my little gizmo's working, yep. Okay. Engine on. Slight bit of throttle. Make sure the throttle's looking good, yep. Okay, clear prop. Okay, here we go. Happy with that. Fire on, clear prop. Come on, baby. Bit of an air bubble going through there. Yeah, baby. Right, the engine's cold, but let's keep it nice. Looks good. Right, as there's no one here, I can taxi just to make sure. Taxi. Do need a nice long takeoff area because there's hardly any wind. Right, so it looks all clear, the skies look very clear. Bit nervous, but I'm good. I'm going to fly. And this is all about, huh? Okay. This looks like a good view. Okay.
17 minutes.
No, you're not 17. Zero that out, and here we go. Okay. Take it off. Come on, girl. Get height. Keep getting height. Reducing the throttle and leveling off. Get back onto some sort of straightage. See it, there she is. Okay, there you go. Okay. Straighten her up a bit. Okay. She seems to be just doing a bit of check to see if she needs trimming away from the runway. Yeah, she looks alright. There it goes. She doesn't look like, I think, two clicks down. 2 clicks down on the elevator. She's still a bit slightly down on there, the throttle. There we go. She's looking good. More clicks down there. Yeah. No, one more up. Okay. Slight bit of wind up there. It might be the thermals from the sun hitting off the ground. Maybe, I don't know. She's going nice. Enjoying this. Absolutely fine. Oh dear, yes, broken pop, but it's all right, it's okay, it's all right. Another paint stirrer, as Paul Heckles would say. Yes, I was a bit too close to the verge. I saw it coming in there and I thought I'd be fine, it'd be fine, but no, it wasn't. So I need to pull it towards me a bit more. Trouble is at Paul Heckles field, I'm used to being quite far away from the runway, so this one's a bit closer. You know, it's only a propeller, that's all right. I've been on to Sir Paul Heckles. Captain Paul Heckles, should I say, and that is a 11x7 prop. And I said I've got a master air screw prop, which is 10x7, the GF series. Will that be okay? He said I might have to do a bit more throttlage, but she should be fine. So I'm ready to go for another flight, because I think the wrong thing to do would be go home, tail between the legs, and cry. Take it off. Let's go get the plane. Fire extinguisher just in case. Go for the walk of shame. That is broken, huh? That is, I would say, slightly deaded. Do you know anyone who wants a second-hand plane? One careful owner. Oh dear. What happened? What happened indeed, yes. Well, that prop, it was only a 10x7 instead of 11x7, but for some reason, whether it's because it's hot, I don't know. I just could not get I couldn't get any height. She just wouldn't want to climb. She was a bit all over the place, and I'm not sure what it was. I checked the plane before, because it wasn't really a hard landing that we had before that hit the prop, it must have hit something hard. But I checked her out, everything was cushy, so I'm not exactly sure what happened, and basically that was my fault. It's just a perception of the tree, I think. I thought I was coming inside the tree, and I just missed it, obviously. Well, didn't miss it, because it kind of hit it. But this is the hobby. I'm annoyed because obviously I need something for next weekend for my A certificate. Am I going to try and fix this? No, I am not. The electronics are fine, and we'll put the engine on the bench, check it out, make sure she's fine, get some more props. See, Paul Heckle said, get more props, Chris. You're going to break them, whether you're a pro or not, or whatever. You break props, and I should have got some, so I will get some. Electronics, servos are fine, everything's fine. So I think I could possibly, I mean, the front end's knackered, the back's knackered, the wing's knackered, and everything's knackered. And I'm very, very hot now. It's gone to silly. It's now 30, so it's getting a bit too hot for me out in the field. Look at that. Extreme close up. Look at that. Yes, that. I would say that's not very flyable. Bit of tape, maybe. Bit of glue. I don't think so. Am I annoyed at myself? No, because I know this happens. I've got to get here 1 second. I know, because it happens. It happens in this hobby. It's only because it's a nitro plane that it's got a lot more stuff off it. But to be honest, the wing took the hit. Damn. Anyway, I guess that is the end of today's video. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I got a nice flight, and it was, if I had not hit that verge, I would have been flying again. It was just literally, I wanted to start bringing in my landings, flying around landings, until I was confident where I should be landing. So if I'm doing sort of like a dead stick, I could land. But anyway, I'm sure a lot of you are going to get out this weekend, and I can suggest, if you're in the UK, to get out very early. Yes, if your field you can fly it, you can get there at sort of 7 o'clock, I would do so, because otherwise you're going to be a fried turkey, just like me. But it's okay, I can get a bit of suntan. Oh yes. Anyway, if you can fly, get out there and fly. But be safe, keep safe, and most of all, have some fun. If you do crash, don't worry about it. It's all good. There's always another day to have mega fun. Listen, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, and listen, thanks for subscribing. And don't forget, members, if you want to be a member, then click the membership and become a member of Dad's RC and all those lovely bits and pieces, and you get some great stickers and some other bits and pieces on the next 2023. So, yeah, from me, and rest in peace, Boomerang. See you later, and thanks for popping by. Ta-ra.